Welcome to your guide for creating a personal learning roadmap. This is where intentional learning helps you gain long-lasting growth in your career and life. You're probably here because you're ready to shape your future with purpose. Mapping out your learning journey gives you clarity and a tangible way to achieve your goals. Let's break down the 6 key steps that make up a powerful, actionable learning roadmap. Step 1, define your career or learning goal. Picture your next chapter, whether you're aiming for a promotion, pivoting into a new field, or deepening expertise in your area. Think about roles and responsibilities that excite you and reflect on your core values. Resources on goal setting and career development can help you focus this vision into clear, achievable goals. Setting your intentions up front makes everything else easier. Step 2, assess your current skills and knowledge. Take a look at where you are today. List your skills, strengths, and experiences, including those outside your job. Use templates or self-assessments from trusted learning platforms and ask for feedback from supervisors or mentors. Self-assessment tools can often help you see your abilities in a new light, building confidence and exposing growth areas. Step 3, research learning opportunities. With your goals and skills in front of you, it's time to explore learning opportunities. Online courses, boot camps, books, podcasts, and project-based learning are just a few options. Prioritize sources that offer credible, up-to-date knowledge, like courses and degree programs on Coursera from leading universities and organizations, so your learning stays relevant. Check for offerings that align with your goals and look for reviews or success stories to guide your choices. Step 4, prioritize skills and build a roadmap. Now, map out your journey. Organize skills in order of impact, starting with those most tightly linked to your goals. Balance foundational learning with specialized expertise. Use digital tools, spreadsheets, or dedicated learning management systems to create a timeline with milestones. This visual map turns learning from a vague idea into a step-by-step plan you can follow. Structure helps you make steady progress, celebrate wins, and adjust if your priorities change. Step 5, integrate projects and practical experience. Learning sticks when you put it into practice. Add projects, case studies, or volunteer work to your roadmap. Apply new skills in your current role, collaborate with peers, or start a side project related to your goal. Practical experience builds confidence, enriches your portfolio, and shows you and future employers real impact. Look for courses that incorporate hands-on projects so you can learn by doing. Step 6, review, adjust, and stay accountable. Review your roadmap regularly. Schedule monthly or quarterly check-ins with yourself or a mentor and celebrate progress. Update your plan as goals evolve and new opportunities appear. Staying accountable means finding support, whether from study groups, online communities, or personal mentors. If you want structure, set reminders and track milestones. Accountability keeps momentum high and ensures your learning stays relevant. Your personal learning roadmap is an investment in yourself. Each step you take opens new doors and brings your goals closer. Progress happens when you move forward with intention, optimism, and curiosity. As you head out to build your roadmap, find helpful links in the description. Consider following for more practical guides and start exploring new courses on Coursera tailored to your own path. Your journey starts now. Shape it with purpose.